We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, વેલકમ ટુ ડોક્ટર સુભાષ ટેકનિકલ કેમ્પસ. વેલકમ ટુ ડિપ્લોમા એન્જિનિયરિંગ and 6th semester. This is the subject of diploma 6th semester. The subject code is 3360908. Name of the subject is Electrification of Building and Complexes. Myself Harshad Bhakhar. Welcome to today's session. Okay, so let's see the first chapter. First, we will see the classification of electrical installation. There are 2 types of electrical installation. First one is non-industrial building. Second one is industrial building. The building which are used in industry is called industrial building. The building which are not used in industry is called non-industrial building. So let's see one by one each. Okay. Non-industrial building. There are more types in non-industrial building. They may be classified as domestic installation, in which 1 or 2 family flats, apartment houses, office building and shopping complexes, office and building shopping. Okay, education buildings like college, classes center and schools. Assembly building like Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, any hall. Okay, medical establishment like hospital, nursing college, hotel installation. Which type of installation is used in hotel? That may be classified into hotel installation. Storage building, sports building, multi-stored building. Which type of electrical installation are used in sports building, multi-stored building? That will be discussed in this module. Okay, let's see next. Non-industrial building. They may be classified on different way. First is classification based on fire safety. There may be 3 levels: low, medium and high hazards. First level, low level, that is called G1. In which hazards risk is very less. Medium level, hazard risk is average. And G3 level, subdivision G3, high hazard risk. Classification, next is classification based on power transmission. That may be classified depending on the power transmitted to the industry. There are 3 types of industry that may be classified on power transmission. First is small industry. That is classified power transmitted to the industry is up to 50 kVA, 50 kilowatt ampere. Second is medium industry that may be capable of 50 kVA to 2000 kVA. Third one is large industry that may be, their range may be about 2000 kVA. Now next is classification based on pollution. How much pollution environment get affected due to industrial operation? That may be classified depending upon the pollution degree. Pollution degree 1, 2, 3, 4 as seen in the fire safety. So this was the industrial building classification. Now let's see the next. Outdoor installation. There are 3 types of outdoor installation. First one is public lighting installation, in which public are considered most. Second one is temporary installation, means it may be temporary. Third one is permanent outdoor installation, means it is outdoor installation but it may remain after the temporary period. Okay, so let's see next. Public lighting installation. Factors which are considered for public lighting installation are lighting source. Which type of lighting sources are used in a public lighting? Which type of traffics are there? Which type of traffic routes are cleared? City centers. Which is the design? So these are the some examples of public lighting system. Likewise, you can see the road width is 80 to 20 meter, and D is the distance between two poles. So here are the examples of the road, which is width width is 18 to 20 meter, right? Next is the example of road which width is 24 meter. Here you can see the lighting system location of poles are at the center position. Now next is the lighting system location of the pole is at various distances. So you can see the images. Okay. Various road buildings are considered in the public lighting. Likewise, L section, T section, which are the location of poles, which are the location of illuminates. Here are the various examples of lighting system. Likewise, overbridge, underbridge, 6 lane, 4 lane, 8 lanes, and various location of poles are decided on the permanent location. So here are the examples of various outdoor installations. So you can see. Now next is temporary installation. The timing of this temporary installation is maximum up to 6 months. Beyond 6 months it may not be called temporary installation. First, timing up to 6 months. Likewise, public engineering work, building work, it is also called temporary installation. Timing up to 45 days. It is called technical fair, exhibition, likewise festival days. It is a temporary installation for 7 days. Timing up to 24 hours. Likewise, marriage function, school function, college function, regulation function. It is called temporary installation. The lighting which are not permanent and which is only on wooden poles is called temporary installation. So let's see next. Permanent outdoor installation is dependent upon the loading condition, operation, duty cycles, transportation condition. Likewise, airport, railway station, bus station, container terminals, which are already permanent and public. So these are the electrical installation which are called permanent installation. So let's see some graphical symbols for the electrical installation used in electrical layout. So let's see first, main fuse board without switches is called is described by these symbols. Main fuse board without switches, black symbol. Main fuse board without switches and lighting, this will be described by this. Okay. And rectangular box and half dark, half open. Okay, now main fuse board without switches, without power, is will be described by rectangular box inside another rectangular box. Now next is main switchboard. So these are the symbols that has been used in the electrical layout, drawing electrical layout. Okay, now let's see one by one. Okay, so these were the symbols for controlling electrical control gear and distribution fuse board. Now next are the symbols for ceiling outlets. So you can see one by one. Okay, next are the symbols of socket outlet. So you can see remembering each term while drawing the electrical layouts. Here next are the symbols of bells and buzzers and alarms. So you can see and remember that while drawing electrical layout. So next are the symbols of fire alarms. How will you describe the fire alarm in the electrical layout? Public addressing system, likewise amplifier, mic, control board, microphone outlets. So here are the symbols of that public lighting, public addressing system. Fixed apertures output and earthing is common. Now other symbols are also there. So we can see the next. Okay,